How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of interface. Now head towards the library tab. At the left corner, you're gonna find different apps. Head towards any of the app, right click on it. With that, you will get different options. Go to the option of properties, click on it. With that, this kind of page will open up. Now over here, you will find the option of local files, click on it. Under that, you will find the option of verify integrity of game files, click on that. Once you complete that process, you will be good to go. Heading to Sync Solution, close this. Now at the top left corner, you will find the option of Steam, click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of settings, open it. Now over here, you will find different options. Go to this option of cloud. Then enable for this option of enable Steam Cloud. If you have already enabled for this option, disable it. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then enable it. Likewise, head towards the option of storage. Then click on three dots given over here. With that, you will get the option of repair folder or library. You have to click on that option. Once you complete this process, you will be good to go. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply next solution. For that, you can close this. Now click on the bottom of your screen. Different options will pop up. Head towards the option of Task Manager, open it. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Head towards the section of processes. Under that, you're gonna find different apps. Go and find the app Steam. Once you find it, click on it. Then click on this option of In Tags. After you do that, search for the app Steam. At the bottom left, you will find this search box. Over there, type in Steam. Once app appears, click on it. You'll find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of Run as Administrator. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Steam Cloud Sync error. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.